Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss the important capital budgeting technique. Earlier we have discussed that in the capital budgeting we are dealing with the long-term assets. And important capital budgeting techniques are NPV, internal rate of return, payback method, and profitability index. Today we will discuss the net present value NPV. It indicates the difference between present value of the future cash flow discounted at the cost of capital and initial investment for a particular period of time is equal to the net present value. So the present value of the future cash flow that we are expecting and discount it at the cost of capital, and when this figure is received, it will be deducted from the initial investment and the difference will be considered as the NPV. In the mathematical expression, the CF1, this is the cash flow of the first year, and divided by 1 plus R par 1. It means discounted at the cost of capital in the first year. Similarly, CF2 divided by 1 plus R par 2 and third year, and so on. Lastly, the sum will be deducted from the II, that is the initial investment. Here CF is the cash flow of the period, R is the rate of interest. Sometimes people also use I or K instead of R. II is the initial investment and N is the number of periods. When we talk about its selection criteria, if the NPV receives 0, it means the present value of the future cash flow discounted at the cost of capital is just equal to the initial investment. We are at the break-even situation, so you may accept or reject the project. However, if the NPV is greater than 0, it means we are on the positive side. Here we are receiving much more than our initial investment. We are receiving NPV positive for more than one project, so we should accept NPV that will have the higher value of NPV. And in case if NPV is less than 0, it means NPV is negative, our initial investment is higher than we are receiving. So the project is not favorable and we should reject the project. So this was about the NPV. Here we are showing through diagrammatic expression NPV positive, 0 and NPV negative. These are the choices. If you like it, please share it and subscribe it. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.